How to get more likes on Facebook. Getting Facebook likes is a crucial part of your Facebook marketing strategy. Facebook holds huge potential for widening your audience. Facebook has more than 2 billion users, but 60 million of those are active Facebook business pages, so there's a lot of competition. To get likes, you need to share content that resonates with your audience. Sharing relevant content to engage users in your brand makes you more likable. Let's look at some ways you can get more Facebook likes to achieve these goals. Marketing strategy. Why? This helps you to present a cohesive brand experience online across all of your social media accounts. How? Tailor your marketing strategy to Facebook's unique platform by defining a target audience to collect likes from followers who bring the most value to your business. Build a great page. Have an appealing page. Create consistently intriguing posts. Make sure your About section contains complete information about your business. Ensure that your profile is complete. Use bright, compelling images to grab users' attention and to engage more followers. Easy to find. Being easy to find means greater potential to gain more followers. Keep your page name simple. Avoid unnecessary keywords and choose a legitimate name to create brand presence. Vanity URL should be consistent with your handle on all social channels. Cross-promote and direct to your page as often as you can. High-quality content. Make sure your copy is short, fun, attention-grabbing, and has relevant images or graphics. Engage at the right time. Consistency is key. Create a content calendar if it helps you remember to post. Post at the right time of the day to increase engagement. Know the optimal times to post. Communicate with your followers as they comment or ask questions. Host a contest. Interactive contests are a great way to have fun with your followers and grab their attention. Doing this can encourage participation and increase the chances of getting shared. It can also increase visibility to your business. Engage with other brands. Get involved in the community by interacting with other brands in your niche. Like their posts, leave a clever comment to direct their followers to your page. There are always opportunities to partner or cross-promote your businesses so you both benefit from the engagement. Understand the algorithm. Get your page in front of more people by understanding how Facebook works. Facebook algorithm prioritizes quality content that's not overly promotional or spammy. Use live video to bump your posts to the top as well. You can also use the Facebook Live feature to connect with your audience in a meaningful way by sharing new products, behind-the-scenes specials, and sneak peeks. Use Facebook ads. You can use Facebook to target your advertising efforts and get the most value out of your budget. You can select your ideal audience, boost posts to extend beyond your current followers, and run campaigns to increase engagement. Facebook Insights. Use Facebook Insights to analyze your current audience and target your future efforts in the right direction. You can identify which posts have the highest reach and engagement and use that information to create more of the most relevant content. If you like this video and got a lot of value, subscribe below to get the next video. Have a great day.